I'll never forget the day our inbox exploded. Support requests flooding in from email, chat, social, and not one tool made sense of it. If your support operations feel more chaos than control, you're not alone. HappyFox promises to bring clarity, but does it deliver? Let's walk through what it really offers so you can decide with confidence. HappyFox is a help desk platform designed to centralize customer support across every channel: email, live chat, phone, social, and more. Think unified ticketing, smart workflows, AI-powered tools, and customizable dashboards all in one place. But how much does that cost? How steep is the learning curve? And where does it excel or stumble? Time to unpack it. Picture this: your support team overseeing multiple brands, juggling high-volume ticket surges, chasing SLAs, and balancing automation with customization. You need flexibility, visibility, and actionable insights without sacrificing usability. That's where HappyFox aims to shine. HappyFox updated its structure recently. The basic help desk plan starts at about $24 per agent per month and supports up to 5 agents, with the essentials: unlimited tickets, omni-channel support, SLAs, knowledge base, and single sign-on. Next up is the team plan, around $49 per agent per month, offering multi-brand help desk, custom domain and email, custom roles, permission settings, custom ticket queues, and extended support hours. Then comes Pro, at roughly $99 per agent per month, with advanced tools like proactive collision detection, task and asset management, scheduled tickets, IP restrictions, load balance routing, stronger support, and uptime guarantees. Above that is Enterprise Pro, custom priced, tailored for large teams needing agent scripting, massive attachment storage, audit logs, historical reporting, phone support, and a dedicated success manager. For high-volume needs, HappyFox also offers unlimited agent packages ranging from around $1,500 up to $5,000 per month, depending on ticket volume and custom fields. Nonprofits and educational teams may qualify for discounts too. This year, HappyFox rolled out some powerful enhancements. You can now build fully customizable dashboards, drag and drop widgets tailored to each role, with real-time updates, down to SLA compliance and satisfaction surveys. Integrated Instagram support lets you handle social inquiries alongside email or chat, with unified ticket routing and SLA tracking. The new go-to navigation feature means you can invoke any function instantly with a quick keyboard shortcut instead of digging through menus. Knowledge base management just got smarter. Draft mode, approval workflows, and clear versioning make content updates seamless. Omnichannel ticketing consolidates all customer messages into one streamlined inbox, helpful during busy periods. Strong automation and customization through smart rules, macros, and workflows give real operational control. Real-time data and reporting help surface bottlenecks fast and empower proactive support. Integrations are solid, including workflows with CRM tools and internal systems, plus mobile apps let agents work anywhere. Security features like role-based access make it enterprise-ready. The interface and feature set can feel overwhelming, especially for small teams just starting out. Pricing jumps sharply between tiers, and key features are gated behind higher plans. Reporting customization can get clunky or limited unless you're on a premium plan. The mobile experience, while available, isn't as robust as the desktop UI, according to some feedback. Here's the playbook. If you're a small team exploring a new help desk, start with the basic plan and test how the unified ticketing and knowledge base help. Growing teams will appreciate upgrading to Team or Pro for automation, brand control, and analytics. And if you're operating an enterprise with strict SLAs and custom workflows, talk to HappyFox for a tailored Enterprise Pro package. Take advantage of role-based dashboards and the latest social media integrations and go-to navigation. Those are real-time savers. So that's the honest breakdown of HappyFox. Centralized support, deep customization, and powerful new 2025 features, all wrapped in tiered pricing that scales with your needs. If this helped you see what HappyFox brings to the table, tap that like button, subscribe for more tool breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next review.